Hello guys, my name is Tegar Samjona Laka. Here I will tell you guys about my interest in technology part. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, before we talk about my interest in technology, let's we talk about technology first. What is technology? You guys must be already know what is technology is because it can be anywhere and everywhere in these days because technology is such as hardware or software. Okay, first let's we talk about hardware first. So, what is hardware? Hardware is referred to the physical component of technology. Example of hardware you can see in this day, which is people now is using hardware like laptop, handphone or smartphone, computer, tablet, and any other technology maybe you look in this day. Now we will talk about what is software. What is software? Software is referred to a digital part of technology, which it means that software is used when we access hardware or we use hardware. Which is in hardware we can get software. So for example, software is like social media, like WhatsApp, YouTube, Twitter, and any other like Instagram maybe also. So basically, software is application on the hardware like laptop, smartphone that you can download, you can use digitally. So after all of that, what exactly is my interest in technology file? My interest in technology file is basically a programming. Yes, a programming. Why I choose programming? It is because I like to become a mobile website developer or mobile application developer. Because in programming there are so many languages that you can use to make so many software. Not just software, you can make any other tools also. So in many chosen chosen why I choose mobile website, because I already have a business and the business is more to mobile application because the user or the customer is basically most of them is using a mobile than a laptop to order our product. And any other reason is because I want to create a simple method to helping my customer on my business, even though they are any several texts that I interest on, but I choose the mobile website. So I have created the mobile website. It's about a cosplay run application or custom run application. So first I need to talk about anime. So anime is a cartoon from Japan that show to kid. So next I will talk about cosplay. What is cosplay? Cosplay is a person that want to become an anime or dress like an anime. So my application is about a cosplay rental costume. So whatever who want to cosplay can rent on our mobile website or mobile application. And to make them more easier to rent, but I'm still learning about this, so I'm only create the design of it. And I would like to show you guys the progress and how to make the mobile website like I did. But I'm still learning, so if I'm have a mistake, I'm really sorry, and you can guys can help me in the column comment. Alright guys, now I will show you about my application. So how to create such as my application, like mobile application. First is you need to install Visual Studio Code first in their website. After you already download and install Visual Studio Code, you can download a language, Flutter. Yeah, I am using Flutter for the language of my mobile application. You can follow the tutorial of the website and then install the Flutter. Oh, right. You also need to install Android Studio so you can know to run and debug uh, your code. But I think it's already okay. If you guys already download all of the tools and the language that needed, uh, now you guys can start to create your code. uh, First, you guys need to study about column and row in Flutter and the container of the Flutter, because this is really important to create such as design, such as UI of your application. Here, I will a container first, and a class function too for the page of my homepage of after my login page. So here I use a first column and I build I build container first and then I build some column for the right. uh, the column is for an arrow, create a row for a navigation bar, and the column is for another row too for the image and name or label and something like that. And column and row also need to be to create such a sidebar. After you done create one page, remember to create another page like product page or maybe cart page. After you create cart page and product page using a class function or row function and container function, I here use for the product page I use a product class function to create such a product. And but here I use a static product. I use a static data, so it's not online or using API first. After you creating such a page, three page, you can go to create road page, so your page can uh, go to another page and go to home page also. So what is the result of that tutorial? Here I will tell you. Here I use Chrome. Because I use Chrome, there are such a error like the static image is not it can be displayed because uh, I build this code for the emulator. I use Memu, but because of lack of my laptop, I not use Memu or emulator such as Android Studio. So I use uh, website instead, Chrome instead. And if you already root them, you can go to the card like this, to another page like this, or product card like this. Okay, maybe that's all about my application tutorial, maybe about some showcase of my application and how to create it. So Programming is not my only interest in technology field. There is another of my interest in technology field, which is graphic design. I'm used to create some design in senior high school, and I was designing some some poster, but now I'm improved and I'm also designing another design such as um, content of Instagram, t-shirt, and another things, another design, I mean, which is I will show you guys here. I have already created like PowerPoint design, also. Wait a second, guys. T-shirt design, curriculum vitae design or CV design, some static design. I forgot how to tell it. I mean infographic, yeah, infographic design, and some poster. For the t-shirt design is like this, poster design is like this, curriculum vitae like this, infographic like this. Here, like this. So maybe now I will show you guys how to create some design. Maybe I will help you guys to create some content design. For example, this is the content design of mine that I have been created. You can search, you guys can search Winter Kosren in Instagram. This is how I create some design. Which is when you create some design, you need to use first, you need to create a Canva account, and then you can begin to study about how to design some graphic. I will show you guys. Maybe first create a blank page. This blank page is like this, a blank design, and you guys can creation by using element or shape image, video, and another thing in the Canva. And I suggest you guys to go to Canva Pro, because if you guys use Canva Pro, you can have some feature, I mean, and you guys can delete this watermark of Canva, and it make it easier. I'm really sure of it. For example, here there is still a watermark, right, of the element or the image, and when we use Canva Pro. Wait a minute, guys. I'm sorry if it a long time because of my devices. This is my Canva Pro, and you guys can see now. Let's see. Let's we search for some pro pro design. This like this, maybe a pro. You can guys use it without a watermark, or you guys can download it. Simple like that. You guys can use template if you guys using a pro. It's also have a free template, but I'm not recommended it. From the template, you guys can have a creation too, like change the color, the primary color of the template, like this. Wait for a second, guys, because it's like, yeah, like this. Yeah, you guys can create some creation of it. I'm sorry if it was really lag. Yeah, or you guys can just use and download the template. Now you guys can use element, you guys can use text for like this example. You can guys upload some image to use from your folder or from the internet or from the Canva also. The reason why I like to design is because when I'm designing, I have so many ideas that make me happy to create some design. Maybe that's all about my interest in technology file and some tutorial for mobile development and creating a graphic design. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.